Hey guys, you should have revised the sentence for me today. Really the sentence, you could just add a little bit more detail, maybe an adjective or an adverb, and so that's kind of what I'm going to do. So I'm going to say that he took a long, and I'm going to say it was a tattered rope. So it was like frayed at the end. Okay, he took a long, tattered rope and tied one end. Now I'm going to add an adverb. Remember the ly words? Tied one end tightly around his waist. Okay, I just added an adjective and an adverb to mine. So if you don't have any ideas on how to revise, maybe you can add a different adjective and adverb to yours.